Hi everyone, Dennis Foley from Acoustic Fields. Today we're going to talk about some features and benefits of acoustic fields. Why choose us? Why choose us? Well, we do two things, noise and treatment. And noise is a constant problem. It's sound coming into your room bothering you, or sound from your room bothering others. There's always some kind of bothering going on with noise. So the goal with noise is, we want to hit target numbers, and we can quantify and qualify those numbers. You want a certain noise floor level in your room, we can achieve that. Obviously, the lower the noise floor, the greater the cost, right? More materials, more labor. So that's how it all works. Treatment, we have our own proprietary absorption technologies, and we have 35 years of experience with quadratic diffusion. So we're very comfortable with our absorption and diffusion treatment side of the company. So lots of experience on both ends of noise and treatment. We keep the room quiet, and then we treat the energy in it, right? So we got a room, we got energy leaving, we got energy coming in, and then we got all this energy inside the room. So we got two different, this is noise, and this is the energy we use absorption and diffusion to manage, depending upon the usage. Every usage has a little different treatment skew, if you will, to it. So our noise and treatment technology are proprietary. Our noise technology, we use the sandwich approach with the wood frames, and then the sandwiches between the wood frames. We do the same if you have a concrete outer shell. We can do a wood frame on the inside. All depends on what the goals are, see? All depends what the strategy tells we're going to do. And that's the most important part. You got to develop a strategy for any kind of project. You have to know what the end result is going to be. And you strive for that through process. And that costs money. Nothing's free, trust me. Nothing free at all today. So we've got a noise 7-day time study because we don't want to waste time or money. So we have an app we send you. You take noise measurements. Let's take the neighborhood. We want to get some noise measurements in the neighborhood. We take measurements twice a day. Quietest part of the day, loudest part of the day. I'm going to put it on our online data sheet, and you're going to send it to me. I'm going to analyze it based on our database of over 350 rooms built and measured. And then I'm going to generate a drawing with our sandwich technology. And you'll build that and install it, or have a contractor do it. It's all builder friendly. I was a real estate developer for 18 years. Everything we have is builder friendly. 350 rooms built and measured. Most of my technology that we have today, our foam and our carbon technology, came out of my real estate days, where I used some of the stuff that was in the marketplace. I used the foams. I used the bass traps. None of them worked. Maybe 10% worked as advertised. I said, this is ridiculous. So, especially with noise, that double wall, nonsense. There's way better techniques than that. Take up less space and achieve better results. So, there's a lot of half-truths and falsehoods in this business. And I would say that 95% of the information on the internet are from people who are telling you how to build a room, never built a room in their life. I would venture that's pretty close. So what kind of source is that for information? Kind of worthless if you look at the overall picture of it. But we're serious about our stuff. Okay, this is a 17-year-old company. We're very, very serious about our technology, and nobody has any better. Our CAW system. We build low-frequency management into the walls, because no matter what technology you use, membrane, diaphragmatic, or Helmholtz, it's going to require 12 inches of depth, period. Some may be more. Some may be a little less, but average is 12. So you're going to give up 12 inches of space on all three sound fields, floor to ceiling, sidewall to sidewall, and front to rear wall. So if we're going to have to cover that much surface area in order to treat these acoustical issues, let's build it into the wall so we can't see it. So that's the CAW system, an incredible system. Allows us to guarantee the frequency response of the room. Nobody can do that either. Got 4 walls, floor, ceiling, pressure. Look at our ACDA 10. Oh, I'm sorry, this is probably the 12. There's our big sponge. Look at that. Look at 30 to 50. It was designed to be frequency specific. Nobody can do that. That's a horsepower. That's something to talk about. Foam technology, you won't find a foam on the marketplace that's as linear as ours, from 125 to 500. It just doesn't exist. So there's reasons for that too. That foam took me 8 years and $2 million. That curve that you see in our graphs cost that much and took that long. That's how serious I was back then. Probably not so serious anymore about research and development. Treatment and noise resolution is our design goal. That's our goal. We're going to set that with you. I'm going to do my best to dial in where you're at on this journey of sound, and then try to match the room up with where you are in that journey. All of us are at different points in that journey. I'm kind of at the end point. I have my rooms. A lot of you are working towards getting your rooms. I get it. Well, here's the process. Quantified and qualified, guaranteed. I don't know how much better we can do. Why choose Acoustic Fields? I hope all of these things will help you in that decision. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, please give us a thumbs up. We also have a newsletter that you can subscribe to, so please do that because we offer special price discounts to only those on our newsletter. And then don't forget about our forum. We have started a forum on our own website where people ask questions, and I usually get a chance every couple days to look at it. There's an interchange between people on the forum, and we'll give you real answers on a regular basis, so that'll help you. Thank you.